reggae music. Fidele Ndagijimana. They said the drunk man was the worst of all, but listen to this story. There was a man who lived for the bottle. Every morning he searched for another drink. His children cried with empty stomachs. His wife carried tears instead of hope. He came home with red eyes every night, speaking words he could not even remember. The whole neighborhood whispered, that man will never become anything. The drunken man. Everyone pointed their fingers at him. But tell me, does a clean face always hide a clean heart? Yeah. Yeah. Years passed and the drunk man changed. He left the bottle behind, he rebuilt his family, loved his wife and cared for his children. Then there was another man who never drank a drop. He worked day and night, sacrificing everything for his family. He paid school fees, fed the hungry, and helped anyone in need. He believed kindness would return one day, but life had another story to tell. When hard times finally came, he lost his job and his savings. He knocked on the doors of the people he had once helped. One by one they closed their doors. Some laughed at him, others pretended they had never known him. Standing alone he whispered, has kindness become a crime? The drunken man was forgiven after changing his life. One the good man who had sacrificed for everyone was forgotten when he needed help. Hey, that is the question I keep asking, and I still cannot find the answer. Why is kindness rewarded with pain? Why do people remember our mistakes more than our sacrifices? Human praise fades like the wind, but God's reward never fades. Find out that drunken man, do not lose your heart, keep doing good. Even when nobody says thank you, people may forget, people may betray, but God never forgets a sincere heart.